Welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking chicken fajita recipe. Let's get started. For chicken marination, in a bowl take boneless chicken cut into strips, add garlic powder, salt, black pepper, paprika powder, cumin powder, chili powder, oregano, soy sauce, white vinegar. Mix these ingredients thoroughly and let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. While it's marinating, make sure you subscribe to our channel and have that notification bell so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Back to the recipe. Once chicken is ready, heat some oil in a pot. Add the marinated chicken, saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover and cook until it's tender. Now add ketchup and hot sauce. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Time to introduce the stars of the dish: julienne cut capsicum, sliced onion, and julienne cut carrots. You can adjust the quantity to suit your taste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to retain the delightful crunch. Finally, add the boiled spaghetti that we have cooked according to the packet instructions. Mix everything well and our mouth-watering chicken fajita spaghetti is ready to shine. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, show us some love by hitting the like button and be sure to share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment below with your feedback and any recipe suggestions you might have. Now the best part, it's time for tasting. Delicious! Don't forget to stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep cooking, keep smiling.